Alright, in this tutorial, we're going to go over the gradient tool. The gradient tool is located on the left panel, and you can access it with the shortcut with G. So with the letter G, I have access to gradient tool. Now, all I have to do is hold down on my mouse key and drag in a certain area. I'm holding down, and now I have a gradient of black and white. Now black and white is my default gradient. If I look in the gradient swatches panel, all you have to do is access it over here. Click gradient swatches. I have a gradient called default. I can change the color of the gradient just by clicking on it. So go double click on the default gradient swatch, and here you have the two colors that make up the gradient. Now if I click on one of them, I can change color to it. Maybe I want to change it to an orange. So right now I'm going to try to change it to an orange. Okay. So let's see if I can change it to an orange. All right, this is a good orange, and maybe I want to change the white to just yellow. All right, and right now I have changed it to an orange and yellow. Right here I can change the type and put it in radial instead of linear. So as I switch it to radial, now you see that the orange color is in the center and the yellow color is surrounding the orange color. I could also change the name to orange and yellow. And as I click OK, the name will be changed to orange and yellow. In addition to that, I can add a new swatch or a new type of gradient and click on this and do the same. I could change the colors. I can add a new color into it by just clicking at the bottom of the gradient ramp like this, and maybe change this to all the way red and make it linear. In addition to that, I can also change the stop colors. I have right now I have in CMYK, but I can change it to RGB. Now I have the RGB color spectrum, but I'm going to change it back to CMYK. Maybe now I'll add another color, which would be probably pink or something like that. So as you see here, the gradient changes when I add in the new colors and when I click on the preview button. With the preview button, it changes automatically and shows you what colors is going to look like when you change the colors, when you add the colors in or position them in a certain way. Right now it already has orange and yellow copy when you add a new swatch, but you can change the name of it any way you choose. So maybe I'll just name it orange, red, pink, and yellow. Click OK. Now I still have the gradient swatch tool open. I originally just clicked on the top and went to the bottom, but I can do it from left to right, and I can do it diagonally. Also, if I want to create a perfect vertical line or symmetrical, or horizontal line, all I have to do is hold down Shift and just click and drag with the mouse key, and now you have a perfect line, and you can make a perfect horizontal line doing it this way. So that's all there is to the gradient swatch tool, and I will talk to you later.